Welcome to Kixus News, where we bring you breaking news and updates around the world of business solutions and Microsoft upgrades. Today on Kixus News, we are going to talk about Power BI and why it is one of the most versatile and important tools by Microsoft. Power BI allows you to build reports from popular data sources and gather them locally and online. With the premium version, you even have the capability to host your own report server on-premise or in the cloud. Power BI makes it really easy to bring your data together into one place. The tool currently supports up to 70 plus connectors out of the box, meaning that you can load data from a variety of highly used cloud-based sources such as Azure, Dropbox, Google Analytics, as well as OneDrive. With these inbuilt connectors, you can load pre-built Power BI dashboards in seconds and perform powerful data analysis within minutes, which helps you make most efficient decisions for your business. Power BI's drag and drop interface also means you no longer have to code or copy paste anything to get started. Click on the link below to see Power BI in action.